5 warning signs of a heart attack all women need to know. A heart attack happens when the arteries become completely blocked, and the heart can't get oxygen. Blockage occurs when fat, cholesterol and other substances build up in the walls of arteries. The warning signs of a heart attack at a woman can be seen weeks ago. Studies have shown that currently, 43.8 million women are suffering from some type of cardiovascular disease. In fact, women have a higher risk of dying from a heart attack than all types of cancer diseases combined. There are not many heart attack symptoms for men, as they happen to be more dramatic and sudden. But for a woman, the heart attacks can be more subtle, they might even consider it something else, like the flu. Common warning signs of a heart attack: sweating and shortness of breath. Sweating through physical activity or in hot weather is healthy. But, if you experience a breakout in a cold sweat, which is accompanied by chest pain, instantly call 911. Unusual fatigue. If you are always feeling tired and exhausted, without any particular reason. Therefore, you should visit your doctor as soon as you can. Pain in areas other than the chest. Generally, the pain appears in areas other than the chest, like in the back, arm, or the jaw. Chest pressure. A heart attack can also be a sign of uncomfortable pressure, squeezing or pain in the center of your chest for a few minutes. Some women feel an upper back pressure, described as squeezing, or a rope being tied around them. Nausea or vomiting. These common symptoms can be easily dismissed as a stomach bug. Women often experience nausea or vomiting before a heart attack. Therefore, here are some preventative measures that will help. Exercise. Heavy and exhausting exercises can increase the risk of a heart attack, but moderate exercise lowers the risk of a heart attack in the long term. Reduce the sugar intake. Eating too much sugar causes negative effects on your body, it lowers good cholesterol and increases triglycerides. Eat right. Increase the intake of healthy foods, such as fruits and vegetables, especially garlic, because it lowers blood pressure. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory properties, which reduces plaque buildup in the arteries. Take supplements. To enhance the blood flow, you should consume fish oil. Also, vitamin C helps to reduce damage to the arteries and vitamin K prevents the hardening of the arteries. Always pay attention to your body, and if you notice any of these symptoms, immediately visit the nearest hospital.